Alright guys, there's the wife trying to change the oil here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, she took it to, is that Tucky? Is that you, Tucky? Is that Tucky? Is that Max? Max and Tucky. I guess Dustin got the hell on. Anyway guys, I'm going to put this on a stand so you guys can see the whole complete oil change. Look at them guys. Look at that guy over there. Who's that guy? Is that Dash? Is that Daddy Dash? Sorry about spinning you guys around. Hey! Okay. She's attempting to change the oil. I don't know why I can't get this camera adjusted. There it is. That's what she's doing, people. We're gonna see if she's gonna be able to change this oil. She so wanted to do it. Alright guys, look, she can't get off the floor. Y'all see that bullshit, right? Just as long as y'all see it. I don't make this shit up.
Okay.
I need some cold water. What's up, guys? This is water. It's not food.
Okay. It's not dripping no more. So it means it's all out.
Take the whole filter out.
I already did. It's in the bucket.
Okay. Now you gotta take the bolt off for the oil to come out of it, right? That's just the oil filter. You gotta take the bolt.
Whoa! Oh man.
You see it?
No, I don't know which boat you're talking about. It's 2 bolts.
Yeah, I know. Hold on.
Wow, are you kidding me?
That's the oil change. Sister. Sister. Let me shoot this something.
I thought I was doing some shit.
Yeah, you gotta take the bolt out.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. Stop saying that.
Oh.
But Tuck, you're not changing. Are you changing some oil?
Get back.
That's alright. Let him change the oil with you. Go change the oil. Go change the oil. Go. Look at this. Come running. Somebody go have. Get back, y'all. Ah! You put a hunk of slob on me, Dash. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I hate that shit.
Hey.
Huh?
Not even change the oil.
Dash. Get in here. Dash! Kadash, get in here. You ain't gonna protect her.
Go on. Go. Go. Look at this monster. Move there. Come on and show me something.
Ah.
Go clear. So which one exactly? I don't know.
Both of you.
Oh, really?
No,
You just show me what it is, so you ain't gotta come back up under here.
probably will. Thank you for helping Daddy up. See if this fits it. That's it?
Oh no.
Too big, too little, what?
Too big, too big, too big.
Shit, when I ask you a question, you gotta tell me.
Too big.
I'm supposed to have something in the house. Alright, see if this one of these will fit. See if that'll fit.
Sorry, y'all. I thought I was really doing some shit.
Is it fit? Come on, it's
No.
2 seconds. It's too big, too little, what?
Too big. It's still
Yeah.
big.
Just sit there playing and shit. Hurry up.
Oh, that's way too small.
Let me get my goddamn truck. Thanks a lot. Don't have my keys out here. Now I gotta go up and get my keys and everything.
My keys right there.
No keys, no. Where the keys? My shit ain't on there. Is my stuff on it?
Your keys is on my key ring.
Cause you keep changing it. Move. Niggas. Let me get a trunk. Right. All this shit. Ugh. Try this one. Come on, it don't take but a second. Try that one.
Nope. Too small.
Come on here then.
Too small.
Are you putting on the same one that I showed you?
Yes, this big one right here. Nope.
Too small?
Too small.
You ain't fitting something right now. Shit. I gave you all them, and you ain't fitting it on there right.
This is the piece. I gotta fit on there.
No, this piece.
That's too big. It's not even just flipping around like a strip.
Try this one.
No, it's too big.
Try that one.
Perfect.
Yeah. Attach that to it. And turn it.
Turn it toward me, correct? Or off, away from me.
Away from it. Too tight?
I gotta keep putting it on and turn it when it gets stuck.
No, you don't have to keep putting nothing on. That's a sucker ring. Is it loosening? Is it loosening?
Yeah, but it's not doing like you normally do shit.
What do you mean? Cause you must don't have it. What do you mean?
It's not just going around. I have to take it out and keep doing it.
No, you don't have to. The sucker wrench. You do it. Push back. That's. Give me here. Give me the sucker wrench.
Ouch. Where you at? Oh.
What are you doing? You gotta put it in.
I had it in.
No, you didn't. It stamps in. See? This is how you lock it in. So when you turn, you should be just doing like that.
Oh.
All right.
Sorry, guys.
Y'all see
The
that dumb
learning
shit?
experience.
Y'all see this dumb dumb? It is dumb dumb.
And you said away from me, right?
Yep.
Girl, you keep telling me you're supposed to do that? Okay. Oh.
Mike, stop fighting stuff.
So when this shit gonna come off? This shit only like it's getting away from me when you putting it on. It's not coming off.
Alright guys, back to another video. What my wife was going to attempt to do today was
Little shit stuck. Alright, what you got so far?
These bitches did this shit too tight. They
You
can't
can't
get
get
it
it
off.
Alright, roll over, let me get
Oh.
Let's break it for you. Give me a rag.
Come on, sit down.
I got a clean one. I have to give me a hammer. Ouch.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Here,
Lord.
here.
Oh.
Here. Alright. It's broke for you. Yes, sis, she got me doing the work. You guys, I'm all tired.
That's not true. They did tight at the
Go ahead, pull it. Now. It's 16 minutes. This is gonna be a long video. Yeah, that's it. Put the socket wrench, put the oil pan back underneath that, cause it's gonna drop. Get him, Max. Get him, took it too. Get him, took it too. Get him, took it. Oh, by the way, guys, I have already made a decision. Okay, I'm trying to make sure I didn't stop it. I made a decision to go ahead and sell Becky to Charles with 13. So Becky's gone. Sorry, I can't do no more Becky. He knows somebody who can get Becky together. So she starts up, she runs. Y'all see me riding and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna get rid of Becky. Didn't even really get to enjoy her that much because little bitch broke down. So Becky is going bye-bye. Look at it. Becky's going bye-bye. Bye-bye, Becky. Bye, Becky. This is white girl Becky. And that's this. Mr. Blue. Look at that. Sitting over there. You got done? Max got you, Max. Get him back. Get him, Max. Get him done. Get him, Cookie. Hey, get away from the stand. Hey. Y'all gonna, hey, come over here. You're gonna knock the camera over with all that extra shit. This is brother. Look at the brother. Get him done. Get him, Cookie. Get him done. Get him done. Don't let him do that to you. Get him, Cookie. Get him. Get him, Cookie.
This move.
Look at that. Hey! Leave me alone. Alright, where's some gloves? Latex
I don't know. And then
I wore gloves yesterday when I fucking.
you didn't tell me this stuff was gonna start out. I thought it was gonna come straight down. So now I gotta get oil off the damn floor.
It's alright.
But I'm doing it!
You put the oil filter on already?
No, this drink.
The oil filter.
No.
You know the little black thing, little round thing you took off?
The oil never drain out, right?
No, you could have been there. You can see you took that one off. You could put that one on. Don't have to wait on that. Hey! You gonna knock the goddamn camera over, niggas.
But I gotta put this back in
Yeah,
there.
you have to put that back in. Make sure the washer's on there. The washer's still on there?
That's that piece around here?
Yep. Make sure it looks good. How's it look?
Looks like this little chip right there.
Cause that'll give you a leak. That's why.
My car ain't never leaked.
Yeah, they did this too tight. Just you need a gasket.
They need it too tight.
Alright. Alright guys. Let me go ahead and do this up here.
Now I'm gonna do my own shit. It ain't gonna be on too damn tight.
I want to make sure that it shall never come off. Yeah. They fucking seal you have an oil leak just because of that. So They don't have a washer for this. Let's put that screw back up in it. Best silicone in the world. This is joint.
Should I tighten it back with this too?
Yeah, you tighten it back. Just tighten it snug. That silicone will dry around that. I'm gonna have to get you we'll have to order that damn thing to see somebody got it. That's fucked up how they broke that though. And where'd you go to?
This shop. In Decatur. I mean, not Decatur.
You don't know.
Forest Park.
You don't know. Well, they broke it. They showed you that.
Get him back. Get to the
Greg.
So you like. Y'all getting some real vlogging today, guys. I got some more stuff to upload when we get done here. Upload it on the camera. I mean computer. You gotta make sure that bolt is tightened on there.
To tighten it back up, I gotta mash this back down in the hole, right?
No.
I did it with my hand first.
I thought she said she could do this, guys. She ain't using common sense at all, and she asking me to do everything, huh? I told y'all. Wouldn't call, that's all.
Okay.
It's tightened up snug.
Yeah, I did it to where it wouldn't go that much, but I ain't yank it hard.
It's gotta be snug. You gotta pop it with your hand a little bit. Put your hand on the bar and then pop it a little bit. Make it snug. You don't want it leaking nowhere.
God damn it.
Can't get your other arm up there to do it. I got under there big as I am. Then what you mean? You can't get under there with them?
I'm just scared to get all the way up there.
Well, you got to. Yes, you see what mommy doing, Dasha? Which one is this Dash?
Okay.
In the middle. Hey, Dash. I said Dash, not you, Max. Alright, did you snug? You got the oil filter on and everything?
I ain't put that on yet.
You should have been had that on.
It's right here.
You gotta put that on. You gotta have some oil though. Put some oil on your finger, hand in here. Make the oil this filter.